The CKD6E Diesel Locomotive is an AC/DC electric transmission shunting locomotive designed for broad-gauge railway operations. It features a single driver cab with an outside corridor structure, offering a compact layout for easier operation and maintenance. Powered by a 6-cylinder 240mm bore turbocharged diesel engine, it delivers 990 kilowatts service power and a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour, meeting the demands of yard and short-distance transfer operations. Equipped with a microcomputer control system, it ensures precise control and stable performance. CKD6E Diesel Locomotive, reliable power for efficient shunting operations.